In this video, we're going to look at the concept of reaction profiles for endothermic and exothermic reactions for chemistry. So it's important that you guys know how to draw the reaction profiles for either endothermic or exothermic reactions for chemistry. So we're going to look at how to do it, the typical diagrams of either endothermic or exothermic reaction for chemistry. So ensure you stay the very end of this video. Alright, so having known that, let's go into the details of the video. We're looking at reaction profiles, alright, of both endothermic and exothermic reactions. Now, let me get these diagrams that show endothermic and exothermic reaction profile, so that from there we explain the concepts behind it or some terms involved in it. Okay guys, let's look at these two diagrams we have here showing reaction profiles for endothermic and exothermic reactions. Now, let's note that in exothermic reaction, let's begin with this profile here. Let's note that in exothermic reaction, heat is released or given out to the environment. So this is the reaction profile for exothermic reaction. This is the reactant. This is the products involved in the reaction. Now, note in the reaction profile for either endothermic or exothermic reaction, we usually have what we call the activation energy. So this is our activation energy as indicated here. Okay, so activation energy is simply the minimum amount of energy that is required for a reaction to start or take place. Okay, so activation energy is denoted as this. So this is the minimum amount of energy that is required for a reaction to take place or start. Alright, so take note of the definition. So basically, the greater the activation energy, the more energy needed to start the reaction. Okay, so take note of what activation energy is. So this is the reaction profile for exothermic reaction. At the horizontal axis, you have your reaction progress or pathway, whereas at the vertical axis, you have your energy, potential energy. Now, let's look at the reaction profile for endothermic reaction. As we all know, endothermic reaction is a reaction in which heat is gained or absorbed from the environment. Alright, so in the case of the reaction profile for endothermic reaction, so this is how it looks. This is the reactants. This is the products. Okay, as indicated, and this is the activation energy, the minimum amount of energy required for a reaction to start or take place. The horizontal axis is the reaction progress or pathway. The vertical axis is the potential energy. So guys, this is a typical diagram for both endothermic and exothermic reaction profile. So get used to this diagram, know it and know what is happening. Both involve activation energy, which is the minimum amount of energy needed for reaction to take place and start. Basically, in the reaction profile for exothermic reaction, the products are at a lower energy than the reactants as indicated here. Okay, whereas in a reaction profile for endothermic reactions, the products are at a higher energy than the reactants as indicated here. Okay, so this is how you can differentiate the diagrams. So let's pause the class here. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Once more, if you are new to the channel, ensure you check the description of this video below. It's a link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel for instant notifications. Also ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what I learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding this topic for chemistry, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Now click on the end screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.